Most people think you need a face to build a real business. But faceless AI businesses are quietly earning every day. What if your next income stream didn't need you on camera? What if AI could run most of the work for you? And what if the best opportunities are still wide open? Why are some creators staying anonymous on purpose? How are small teams scaling like big companies? Which AI models are actually making money right now? What businesses can you start with almost no overhead? And why are viewers paying for content with no personality attached? Stay with this video, because one idea near the end is unexpected. Faceless doesn't mean invisible. It means automated, efficient, and scalable. Let's start with the simplest truth. Attention is valuable, but systems are priceless. AI businesses are systems first. A faceless brand is a machine, not a persona. The first model is AI content channels. Not entertainment, but useful information. Think finance explainers, tech news, or product breakdowns. Channels built with Pictory can publish daily. Scripts can be drafted using ChatGPT. Visuals can be generated from stock libraries automatically. The money comes from ads, sponsors, and affiliates. The key is consistency, not charisma. Second model is AI niche newsletters. Short, focused updates people actually read. One topic, one audience, one clear value. AI helps summarize news and trends fast. Tools like Behave make delivery simple. Revenue comes from paid tiers and sponsors. Third model is AI-powered digital products. Templates, checklists, and business kits sell quietly. A faceless store can run on Shopify. AI writes product descriptions in minutes. Customers don't care who you are. They care what solves their problem. Fourth model is AI micro agencies. Small services, delivered with automation. Example: local business ad creatives. AI can generate copy, images, and variations quickly. Canva helps package designs professionally. Clients pay monthly for speed and results. Fifth model is AI voiceover production. Faceless channels need narration at scale. 11 Labs creates natural voices instantly. Creators pay for audio that sounds human. This is a behind-the-scenes business. Sixth model is AI customer support setups. Businesses need chatbots that reduce tickets. Using platforms like Intercom, you can implement AI help. Companies pay for saved labor hours. Seventh model is AI research services. Executives want answers, not endless reading. AI can condense reports into one-page briefs. You sell clarity, not content. Eighth model is AI-powered SEO blogs. Not spam, but helpful niche articles. AI drafts outlines, humans polish accuracy. Monetization comes from affiliate programs. One blog can earn quietly for years. Ninth model is AI short-form clipping. Podcasts need highlights for TikTok and Reels. Tools like Descript speed up editing. Agencies charge per batch of clips. No face required, only output. 10th model is AI course companion products. Not teaching, but supporting learning. Study guides, flashcards, and summaries sell well. AI accelerates creation dramatically. Now let's talk about what actually matters. Picking the right niche is everything. Faceless works best in high-utility categories. Money, productivity, software, health basics, careers. Avoid personality-driven entertainment niches. The business must stand without you. Step 1 is choose one clear problem. Example: small business owners need more leads. Step 2 is pick one format. Video, newsletter, templates, or services. Do not mix everything at once. Step 3 is build a repeatable workflow. AI is strongest when tasks repeat. Script, edit, publish, distribute, sell. Step 4 is automate the boring parts. Scheduling, captions, thumbnails, email sequences. Zapier can connect your tools together. Step 5 is focus on distribution. Great content without reach earns nothing. YouTube search is powerful for evergreen topics. Google is powerful for long-term blog traffic. Email is powerful for direct ownership. Step 6 is monetize early and simply. Ads are slow at the beginning. Affiliates can work from the first month. Digital products create high-margin income fast. Services create cash flow immediately. Now let's break down a real example. A Faceless AI channel about business tools. 3 videos per week, 8 minutes each. Scripts drafted with ChatGPT in 1 hour. Scenes built in Pictory in another hour. Voice created with 11 labs in minutes. Upload optimized with TubeBuddy keywords. Revenue comes from SaaS affiliate links. No filming, no studio, no personality required. Another example is an AI template shop. Notion dashboards for entrepreneurs. AI helps write instructions and marketing copy. Etsy drives traffic to simple products. One template can sell thousands of times. Another example is AI ad creative services. Local dentists need consistent Facebook ads. You generate variations with AI weekly. Charge a monthly retainer for delivery. Clients stay because it saves time. Faceless businesses scale through process. The biggest mistake is chasing every AI trend. The winners build boring systems that work. AI is not the business. AI is the leverage inside the business. You still need positioning. You still need trust signals. You still need quality control. Faceless doesn't mean careless. Now, mid-video reminder. If you want more real AI business models, subscribe and turn on notifications. Because these opportunities move fast. Let's talk about barriers most people ignore. The first barrier is consistency. AI makes creation easier, not automatic. The second barrier is differentiation. Your angle must be specific. Not AI news, but AI for small retailers. The third barrier is distribution patience. Most channels grow after 30 to 50 uploads. The fourth barrier is audience trust. Use clear examples, not vague claims. Show outcomes, not hype. Now, how do you start this week? Pick one faceless model from this video. Write down one niche you understand. Create one simple offer or content series. Use AI to reduce creation time by half. Publish your first version quickly. Then improve based on feedback. Faceless businesses reward iteration. The next layer is building assets. An email list is an asset. A library of videos is an asset. A template catalog is an asset. A client roster is an asset. AI helps you build assets faster. Now let's look ahead. AI will keep lowering production costs. That means competition will increase. But trust and specialization will matter more. The future belongs to operators, not performers. People who build systems will win quietly. Faceless brands will become normal. Audiences will care about value, not identity. The smartest move is starting before it feels crowded. Because early libraries compound. One video becomes 10. 10 becomes a channel. A channel becomes a business. A business becomes optional freedom. Remember, Faceless is not hiding. It is focusing on output over attention. It is building something that runs without you. In the next upload, we'll cover AI businesses that require zero content creation. so you can stay ahead of what's coming. Subscribe, tap the bell, and don't miss the weekly drops. Because the next shift in AI income is already starting. The tools links are given in the description.